Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is being true to yourself. You come into this world by yourself. Baby, you're going to leave by yourself. No one has the same fingerprint as you. No one has the same purpose as you. You're one of one. You're here for a reason. Find out what that inner calling is and be that. So many people might say that's different. That's not what the rest of the world is doing. Well, you're not here to be like the rest of the world. You're here to be like yourself. You're here to be that torch that shows everyone how to be original. Also learning things that you had so it can complement their attributes. Therefore, they can fall in love with their purpose and their service. I'm true to myself and to others. I remove the mask and stop creating illusions. You're not a fake sign. You're into what is real. What is going to work, not what we hope will work. No, you do your research, your development. You figure out, wow, this is 1 + 1 = 2. And then you do it. I am so confident in who I am. I reveal the good in me. I do not need to hide or prove anything. I replace shame with power and love with truth, because once you are yourself, and everyone has a high regard for you, Scorpio. Everyone loves you. That's why you need to have no shame, because everyone looks up to you and has a high, as we say, regard, and think of you in your best self. So do not be your own worst enemy and talk down your blessings or your attributes or your gifts, because everyone is talking and boosting you up. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. Love you too.